Namaste students, Krishna Vidya, I, JV and Dr. Vaishnav, Assistant Professor Jyoti VIDYAPEETH, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the qualitative genetics. So, qualitative genetics or the traits have the possibilities of continuous variations. Okay? So, when we talk about the qualitative genetics, in 1760, the Joseph Paul writer reported first case of the continuous variation due to the qualitative trait. The qualitative characters are an inherited characters that express the phenotype in all degree of variation, one often indefinite, extreme, and other are characters determined by the polygeny. So the difference between the qualitative and the quantitative traits. The qualitative traits and the quantitative traits. The qualitative traits are the character of the kind and the quantitative traits are the character of degree. Discontinuous variations are the qualitative traits or the qualitative types are the discontinuous variations or the distinct phenotypic classes. And the quantitative traits are the continuous variations or the phenotypic measurement of a spectrum. Qualitative traits are the single gene effects and the quantitative traits are the polygenic control or the effect of the single gene whose like to be detected. The qualitative traits are concerned with the individual matching their progeny and the concerns with the population of an organism consisting of all the possible kind of mating. The analyzed by making the count and ratio. So here concerns with the population of an organism consisting of all possible kinds of mating. So the qualitative traits are the analyzed by making the count and the ratio, and the statistical analysis is done in the quantitative traits. Okay. Qualitative traits are the X and forms the round wrinkle or the V form. That means the structural horn or the hornless conditions in the cattle or the pigment or the black white coat of the pig or the antigen or the antibodies, etc. The qualitative traits that means improvement or the skin color or the eye color, that means the hair color or the weight or the height. In plant, the seed color in hair sizes or the length of the corolla, okay, of the tobacco. In animal, the size in chicken, size in habits, or the white spotting, etc. The multiple factors or the hypothesis concerned. The multiple factors and the hypothesis concerned, that is a gene in an individual producing a slight effect on the phenotype but in combinations with a few or many other types controls as the qualitative characters and is called polygeny. Okay? So here, since there are many genes of this kind for one qualitative characters, they are also known as multiple factors. These factors have too small and effect to be traced. Okay? So those genes which contribute to the trait involved is called contributing effects or the active genes or the alleles. Those alleles which do not contribute to the trait involved are called non-contributing or non-effective or null genes. Some characters of the quantitative traits, that means the inheritance of the relative simpler qualitative the multiple factors of the polygens will be illustrated in this section. So the kernel color in wheat, the skin color in the human, or the eye color in the human. So the kernel color in wheat or a whole grain of the seed of the cereal plants such as the corn, wheat, barley is called the kernel. So the kernel color in wheat are studied by the Swedish first they form the light red one. Okay. So here the F1, F2 generations having different results like the phenotypically they have contributing to the red, medium red and red light red and very light red or the skin coloring human or this characteristic was given by the JAYPUR in 1930 in Jamaica. We found that two pair of the genes in order to cause difference in the skin pigmentation, the negro and red. So the negro and the white one. So the results of the negro. It is polygenic inheritance of the skin color in human. So the eye color in human means the eye color of the eye is found to be determined by the polygens and these genes have been suggested to be the X chromosome. At least 9 classes of the eye can be recognized in human. So in order to increasing the amount of melanin, eye color can be designated as the light blue, medium blue and the dark blue, gray, green, light brown and medium brown and brown. So it differs the number of contributing alleles for each type of the eye of the human being, that means light blue, medium blue, dark blue, gray, light brown, medium and dark brown. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 VIDYAPEETH Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session.